Hello everyone, welcome to our video. So today, we are going to introduce about the fastest high-speed camera robot in the world, which is MRMC Bolt Jr. And in this video, we are going to talk about the history of the MRMC Bolt Jr., their market prospect, the impact, the key feature, benefit, and about the functionality of MRMC Bolt Jr. So, let's get started.
Robot Motion Control or MRMC design and manufacture motion control equipment for both the TV and film industry. The company received an Academy Award in 1999 for its contribution to the special effect industry in feature films. In 2017, Robot Motion Control was presented with the Queen Award for Enterprise for International Trade by Prince Richard. So, the company was established in 1966 when Australia-born engineer, inventor, and part-time racing driver, Mark Robert set up a company to service and upgrade all animation rostrum tables that were used in every time from film titles, cell animation, and a new clips.
Now, we will move to the market prospect. What is a market prospect? Market prospect for MRMC Bolt JR are a company potential future perform in a competitive marketplace. In other words, a company market prospect are the company forecasted ability to compete. MRMC Bolt JR camera robot have been created for filmmaker production to give much more flexibility for film production to make a movie. As we know, this camera robot technology have helped many famous film productions such as Marvel Studio in making their movie to look more realistic and give that high quality movie to the audience. Meanwhile, this Bolt camera robot is not only can be used in a film industry, but it can also use to make a advertisement. MRMC Bolt JR camera robot have been created for filmmaker production to give much more flexibility for film production to make a movie. Bolt JR is a compact, lightweight, high-speed camera robot, smaller option than full-scale MRMC Bolt. The Bolt JR is an ideal solution where space, weight, mobility, and budget are key. As we can see, there are many key features in this camera robot, and all the key features have their own function that is important because it can be very helpful and also friendly user so that it can be handled more easier. Flare, track, sync cables, trigger spot, zoom, loop light, handheld box, focus, pen bars, hand wheels.
So now, we are going to talk about the benefit of MRMC Bolt Jr. Firstly, the MRMC Bolt Jr. can produce a high-quality film. As we already know, the quality of the film is important because it can attract the audience to watch the movie. Quality video features such as sharp look, clean and real color quality will lead to a high-quality film. For example, the Avengers movie. We already know that this movie is the most popular movie in the world. The Avengers movie is actually using the camera robot technology to help them to produce the movie. And we can see how the camera robot helped to increase the quality of the movie. Therefore, the audience will feel like they are watching a 3D movie, and that is the impact and the emotion that every producer needs from their audience when they see the movie. Next, the MRMC Bolt Jr. can make work more easier for production team. This MRMC Bolt Jr. is actually smaller than the other camera robot. The size of this Bolt Jr. can make it fit into a smaller studio. Therefore, the production team don't have to search another bigger studio just to fit in the camera robot. Other than that, with this Bolt Junior, the production team will no longer need to manually hold the camera. They just need to put the camera to the Bolt Junior and control the Bolt Junior using the flare.
Did you guys know what is it for? Here, let me tell you guys MRMC BOJR function. First, this MRMC BOJR is specially developed for film studio, photographic studio and for tabletop where studio space. This is because of the production customer need for a smaller sizes to make it easy to use. Next, being small and lightweight will easily maneuverable and transportable. Lastly, special effect and capture to all the action and drama.
The impact of the gadget on multimedia production for society, economy and culture. So, let's get started. First, for society. As we know, MRMC Bolt Junior camera robot is a high-speed camera robot that helps the film industry to produce a high-quality films that can give impact to the viewers. Therefore, with Bolt Junior camera robot, it helps the film industry to improve their films to be more better. Second is economy, can generate income. As technology has improved over time, it has made it easier for people to commercial their product as there are many various gadgets that can use to make their product more attractive and more realistic. For example, food advertising that use this camera robot technology to advertise their new food. With this camera robot technology, they can make the food that needs to advertise look 10 times better and delicious than the original looks. Also, using this camera robot to make a film will improve the quality of the film and will attract international producers to publish the films to another country. This situation will raise the country's name and at the same time boost the country's economy. Last but not least, MRMC Bolt Junior will make multimedia production job easier because Bolt Junior can give more flexibility in terms of visual creativity. The Bolt Junior camera on track can reach 3 meters per second. The Bolt Junior camera is portable motion control option that can be set up and ready for action in less than 1 hour, making it an obvious choice for use on location.
So, in the conclusion, this MRMC Bolt Junior is very useful, especially for multimedia production. This is because MRMC Bolt Junior has their own uniqueness to attract people to use it.